Settle down for max class. Yes. Let us start our max class. If you have a textbook, open page number 47. Page number 47, exercise 3.1. I am in the chapter of decimals, where every day we are going through the multiplication of decimals. Calculate the following. A to F questions were there. In that we completed 2 yesterday. A and D we completed. E and F today I must do. Addition of decimals are given in the bracket. Then we have to carry on with the multiplication. You can go through the question if you have a textbook. Multiplication symbol. Then in another bracket, 53 minus 52.66. So this is the given question. Let me check once. 0.095 multiplied by 53 minus 52.66. Yes. Addition, subtraction. Yes. Addition of two decimals are there in this bracket. We have to carry on this first. Then subtraction. Then only we have to proceed with our multiplication. Now, for adding this two, let me use this rough column. Time being, then I will erase after writing here. Now 0.13, 0.095. Concentrate nicely. Okay, then only we'll understand. Addition symbol. Point must match. 0.13, 0.095. Here nothing is there. I can put a 0. Okay, 0 can be given so that to equate the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that when we proceed, it will be easy. 5, now addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 3, 12, 2, carried over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 0, 0.225. This is what? 0.225 I got after adding this. Multiplication symbol I copied. Now I am going to subtract this both. 53 is a whole number. Okay. Down it is given 52.66. Now a number when it is given 53, decimal portion is not there. Integral part, whole number part alone is there. What we have to do? We have to ourselves give 0 zeros. We can do like that. When a number is like this, 53, 53.00. When a number is 32, it means it is there in the integral part. Decimal portion, nothing is there. Nothing is there, I have to give zeros. If it is 32, I will give 32.00. If denominator has two places, I will give like this. If it is 32.5, then I will give 32.50 like this. Where it is not there. Equal decimal places they are making. This is already given. Subtraction symbol is there. We need to do the subtraction. So from here, other things normally how we carry like that only. 2. Jumping and borrowing, this is becoming 10, this is becoming 9. When we jump and borrow from here to here, the middle number becomes 9. Okay, these are all taught in first standard. So here 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 2 minus 2, 0, 0. 0 point, no need to tell. You can tell just 0.34. Like that, you can tell this. So 0.34. 0 point, there is no value. How many zeros preceding means also? Just we have to write as 1 0. 0.34. Now 0.225, we need to multiply by this. Here first I did addition, then I did subtraction. Now this is the thing I am going to do. These all must be done in your rough column on the right side. In your paper, exam paper, when you do, last year also I told this many times, left side should keep on doing the question, right side make a column, right margin and do all this in the rough column and copy. Why I am doing this here means, if I do like this, I will be hiding the board. You won't be able to view the board. For that reason, for your view through phone, for that I am doing down. You have to do on the right side in your exam paper, rough column that is. It should be there. Working column compulsory must be there. Up to 10th standard, if the working column is correct, they will give marks for this. Even though you write here wrong, if it is correct, they will give marks in the rough column, but it should be neat. Neat and exactly should be near the question, near the answer, what you are attending. Marks are there for this. Now, 0.225, just write 225. Afterwards, will be, after multiplication, we'll keep the point. 3, 4, 3, 4. Normal multiplication, how we did yesterday. 5 4s are 20, 0, carried over 2. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carried over 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Then, 5 3s are 15, 5, carried over 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 3s are 6. 0, 5, 9 plus 7, 16, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6, carried over 1, 7. 7, 6, 5, 0 is equal to 7, 6, 5, 0. Where the point will come, we need to see that. 1, 2, before 2 numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, before 3 numbers. So 3 plus 2, 5 numbers. We have to come from the last 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are only there. Put a 0 and keep a point here. Is equal to little bit move. Move this to the other side. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. 1, 2, 2 digits. 3 plus 2, 5 digits. Only 4 digits we got. After multiplication, there is nothing to worry. Add 1 0 by ourselves. Compulsory this one. Okay, then keep a point. For reading purpose, write like this. So that we can read. We cannot start a decimal number from point. We have to write 0 point. 0.3. Nobody will write like 0.3, 0.4. Okay, it is not understood. So 0.3, 0.4 means we'll understand. For that reason, 0.07650. This is the answer. Understood clearly? Very easy. First we did 2 decimal numbers were given. We did addition here. This is the addition portion. Then these 2 subtraction portion, we need to equate the decimal places by writing 0 zeros. Very important. Then the second number I wrote, I did subtraction. After that, multiplication was given. Division symbol is given. We have to do division. It is according to what is the operation that is given. Now, after this we did. Since we have 5 decimal places, we need to proceed from the last. 4 numbers were there. I added 1 0 and we kept a point there. This is the way to do. Clear? This is question E. That's what I am doing. This homework sums very, very easy. Only simple 2 numbers multiplication. That is homework sums, BC. The process is more, that's what I do. E over F. Question F. If you want, you write along with my speed. Otherwise, you take screenshots. Otherwise, you quietly follow the class. Wait for the material. Otherwise, you do yourself. By understanding, you do yourself. Whichever method is easy for you, you follow that. Some will be slow in writing. Some will write very fast. Some will be having their breakfast while attending class. I cannot say that. So just understand and you do by yourself. Now 43.2 minus 6.95. Okay, let us do the subtraction first. Then we will be carrying on with the multiplication. As usual, right side only I must have since I cannot hide the board. So this place. 43.2. Okay. Second number 6.95. See where I am writing. Very important. Don't start the 6 here. Okay. This is not the place for the 6. This is the place. 6 point must match. Many used to write this place is only wrong and will get wrong answers. That is very important in decimals where you are locating. Exactly. 0. Now, where and all you don't have the numbers, add 1 0. Add a 0. So that equating. Equal decimal places. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. When you make it equal, then proceed. Then only your answer will come correctly. Otherwise, you will get some other thing. Subtraction. Now, that is very important in decimal by arranging them. Here from 2, 1. This is becoming 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 we cannot do, so I am borrowing from here 2. Here it becomes 1. 1 came here now, so 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Point. 2 minus 6 is not possible. I am borrowing from here. It becomes 1, 2. It becomes 3. Now 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 0, 3. So we got 36.25. I am copying here. Decimal easy, at the same time very carefully must do this. Otherwise full marks will go. Here something wrong means total marks will go. So should be careful for that. Now normal multiplication. Here this much place is not needed. Little bit. This much place. Let us take like this. Yes. Now 3 6 2 5. First we have to write the number, then this number. Later on I will give the decimal points. 5 4s are 20 to 0 carried over 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2 10 0 carried over 1. 6 4s are 24. 25 5 carried over 2. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14. I did with this number. Like this to do. 6. With 6 I am multiplying. 6 5s are 30 0 carried over 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 15 5 carried over 1. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37 carried over 3. 6 3s are 18. 19 20 21. Now 0 0. 5 plus 5 10 0 carried over 1. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1 12 2 carried over 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. This is 2. This is the number we got. Now let me write the number. Then I will give a decimal point. 2 3 2 and 3 zeros I got as the answer. Now Time to keep a decimal point. 1, 2. Two numbers here 1. 2 plus 1, 3. From the last, we have to move 3 digits for keeping the decimal point. 1, 2, 3 point. Here, yes, here darkly I'm keeping so that it will be visible in your mobile. From the last 3 points before, so 232.000. It is nothing but 232. You can either write 232 or you can leave just like this. This is the answer, 232.000. Clear? Main thing to equate the decimal places properly, writing properly, doing the subtraction, then ordinary multiplication, then a point. Easy. The first thing, first what we have seen about addition. Then directly they went into multiplication only because addition, subtraction of decimals we have in 6th. So what the Macmillan people, they don't want to bring that back. So since addition of decimal, subtraction, I only taught you. Last year we had in our textbook, Macmillan textbook. So this time what they did, directly, first exercise itself, they brought multiplication. Second exercise, division of decimals. They told that we have seen already addition and subtraction. We have seen in 6th standard. Like that they completed. Because our portion is multiplication and division of decimals. This exercise is totally about multiplication. So 8th one over. Brain works, 9 and 10 is there. 10th one no need. 9th alone we'll see. It's a word problem. We'll see that. 9th alone. What and all I'm doing here, everything you will get as a material. Whatever I write in board, that is a classwork sum. Whatever classwork sums I'm doing here, you will be getting as a material when I will be sending. Question number 9. Now, 1 kilogram of apples cost rupees 47 rupees 90 paise. Now, how much does 5.7 kilograms of apples cost? Round your answer to the nearest 1. Okay. 1 kg given, 5.7 kg of apple. How much is the cost is asked. Cost of 1 given and more is asked. Whenever 1 given more asked, it is multiplication of the first quantity by this quantity. 1 chalky, 5 rupees, 2 chalky, how much? 2 5s are 10, like that it is. 1 this thing, some price, 47 something. So 5.7 something is how much? That is a thing. Here they have given the cost of apple as so cheap. Where we are getting 1 kg of apples in 47 rupees. They have given very cheap. Actually, it's very costly. Okay. Cost of we need steps for the word problem. Cost of 1 kg of apples is equal to. Then how much does 5.7 kg? Therefore, cost of 5.7 kg of apples. If I do like this, same step we are following is equal to. What is this? 47.9. Rupee symbol. 0.9. Okay. The cost of this much is 47.9 multiplied by symbol 5.7. 1 given, more asked. Normal multiplication. I will be doing here. Then we'll copy the answer. 479 multiplied by 5.7 point and all later. So first leave off the decimal point and let us do. 9 sevens are 63, 3 carried over 6. 7 sevens are 49, 49 plus 6, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 5 carried over 5. 7 fours are 28 plus 5, 33. 9 fives are 45, 5 carried over 4. 7 fives are 35. 39, 9 carried over 3. 5 fours are 20 plus 3, 23. 3 here. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. Carried over 1. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1. 13, 3 carried over 1. 7, 2. I got is equal to 27303. 27303 I got. Now here 1 point and 47.9. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So 2 digits before that to keep a point. So let me keep here. So this is equal to rupees 273 rupees. 0.03 paisa doesn't have any value. 0.03 paisa and all nowadays it doesn't exist. So either you can write full or you can write simply this. They have given that particularly rounding off to the nearest tens means this is not needed. Full thing. If it is more, if it is 9, 273.90 paise.
Excuse me, ma'am. Lakshmi, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I need to give an information. Good morning, children. You're starting your cycle test today. All the details were posted in the Google Classroom. If you haven't, please go through it every day. See to it that you check the stream for information from the school. And today's exam, the teacher will revise. What exam do you have? 7th standard? Okay, Tamil. So your teacher will have a period with you and she will revise with you. At 4 o'clock, your papers will be published. Those of you who have collected your notebooks, you have a test notebook where you will answer your paper neatly, just like how you do the test in school. And then you scan it or take a photo, convert it into PDF and upload it. So if the test starts at 4 o'clock, you should finish it by 5 and upload your paper immediately. Yes, so don't endlessly take time. If you have a trouble converting it, if parents are not at home, you please do it. Madhuravali, you didn't collect the notebook yet. Okay, whoever doesn't have the notebook, it's no issue at all. You can use a ruled paper, do your notebook do your test neatly in that paper and then upload it. Whoever hasn't collected your papers, notebooks, you can put a paper or a ruled notebook that you already have. Do it neatly. So do it neatly and then upload it. So as of now, the book supply is suspended because we are waiting for stock to arrive. Those of you who haven't received will have to wait for the next information. But till then, you can use ruled neat notebook. You have your notebooks at home. You can use it and upload it neatly. Thank you, children. All the best. Revise after the class as well and do well. And Tamil specifically write very neatly. Use a dark blue gel pen to write your answer so that it will be clearly visible to your teachers. So I want to see neat work. You all have stopped writing for a long time, but now see to it that you write neatly and upload it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So after rounding this number, we got 273 rupees. So the cost of this much kg of apple is rupees 273. So this exercise over. Next we are entering into division of decimal. Very easy one. Directly we can enter into the exercise itself. Okay, no need for example sums because we have a lot of sums in our exercise itself. So that itself directly we can go through. It's very easy. .1 over exercise 3.2. Page number 54. Page 54. Okay. Without doing any calculation. Oh, the first question you can write, if you have a textbook, you can write in textbook itself. Question number 1, you can do in textbook. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 3, again fill in the blanks. These all can be done in your textbook if you have a textbook. Page number 54. If you don't have a textbook, it's okay. You write in the notebook. Later on, can copy in the textbook after getting that. If you have the textbook, use a pencil to write in the textbook. Never use pen in the textbook. Always pencil. Okay, now exercise 3.2. This question, the first question, is similar to that of what we have seen in exercise 3.1. We have already gone through the first question. The similar to that of this, that was the multiplication one. This is the regarding the division one. That's the only difference. What is asked? Without doing any calculation, determine which of the following division expressions will give you a quotient that is less than 3.87 and which will give you a quotient that is larger than 3.87. Explain your answer. All these A, B, C, D, E, all these 5 questions what they have given all belong to the single category only. Same. The question is similar for all the things. Just we have to go through the divisor. For example, now A question. No need to write anything. This is a concept oriented one to understand. We won't ask such type of questions in exam, but it is important to know what they are telling. Easy one, just to know this. All 5 same questions. The question will be the same for all, whatever it is. Comparison only. Now I will explain. Wait. Like the similar we had during multiplication. When we multiply the number, the answer will be get is greater. Like those things we have seen during multiplication. 0.908. Now in division, how it is, we'll go through. 3.87 divides 0.01. Okay, now. Divide the amount, quotient. Okay, now. For this, now 3.87, 3.87, 3.87, 3.87. This is the common thing, which is the dividend, we say. That is same. So all questions belong to same category. Now they are asking, which of the following expressions will give the quotient, will give the answer, which is less than this number. Okay, and which will give a quotient that is larger than this number. When you will get larger, when you will get smaller. In multiplication, when we multiply a number greater than 1, answer greater. When we have a thing smaller, answer smaller. Here in division, it is reverse. Okay. Now see here 4. We have to consider with the number 1. We have to see this divisor, this divisor, this divisor is more than 1, greater than 1 or less than 1. How it is? Now number 4. More than 1? Yes. It is more than 1. Have a tick. 0.9 less than 1. Next. Yes, it is 3.2. Yes, ma. 1.003. Little bit greater than 1. Yes. 1 tick. 0.908 less than 1. 0.01 less than 1. So only we have these 2 numbers which are greater than 1. If the divisors are more than 1, okay, the answer will be less than 1. The quotient will be less than this dividend. Dividend we can say D. If the answers or divisors are like that, the quotient is smaller, we can say smaller. They are asking like that only. No, the quotient is larger or smaller. So let us write that it is, this is more, the thick ones. This is more than 1. So answer is smaller. SMA, if I'm writing, is smaller than the dividend. These numbers, this is a thing to understand, concept only. When we divide by a number which is less than 1, okay, this is less. So answer is more. Greater, this will be greater. It indicates greater we can write or more we can write, which will be greater. It is in the question, it is asked. Which will give you a quotient that is larger than this number divided. Larger. These 3, these 2 ticked ones smaller. Oppositely, we have to take 1 less than 1. It's smaller than 1 means answer greater. Greater than 1, answer smaller. That's all. This is the thing to understand. Okay? Less than 1, explain. Just write near your textbook. You can write this. Okay? Smaller. 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 More no need, right? Write it greater. Greater than the dividend. It is understood. Greater. Greater. This is smaller. Similar question we had in multiplication also. We have seen that also. A, B, C, D, E, we saw that. So we will end up our class with this. Second question, fill in the blanks, and third, fill in the blanks tomorrow in textbook. Thank you.